I just got done with the game, and there's fireworks going on, as you can see. They're Beatles themed, and yeah, so they're Beatles themed. Probably see some in here. And they won their first game, and then the second game they lost, and the one player got thrown out. So it was really cool, and it was really cool. And I got yelling at the umpire. I don't know. So it's our whole finale. You hear me? Can't really see, but alright, well, I'm gonna go. They're over, and I need to get to the parking garage, which is right over there before all the other people. I need to get out, so alright, bye.